Now we will start our exercise 2.3. That first question is, which of the following will not represent 0? It means this is the MCQ kind of the question. It's only have one answer. In the given below we have 4 options. From that, one is not representing the 0. It means firstly we have to solve their questions. 1 plus 0, it is 1. 0 into 0, it is 0. When 0 will divided by any number 2, its answer is 0. 10 minus 10, it's 0 by 2, so it will again give us 0. So which is the A, B and C and D? From that, which is not representing by 0? Only A. So our answer is only A is our answer. Question number 2. If the product of two whole number, if the product of two whole number is 0, it means it look like this. If we are multiplying two whole numbers each other and its result is 0, then can we say that one or both of them will be 0? It means यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर दोनों में से या तो एक प्लेस पर 0 आएगा या तो दोनों प्लेस पर क्या आना चाहिए? 0. ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? Justify through examples. It means we have to show it through the example. So that example I am showing here. Okay. So कभी भी when we are multiplying any number with each other, so when we get the answer as a 0, like 2 1 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 into 4 it's 28. So that kind always we have the number, the whole number. But when we get 0 in only one condition. When we multiply any number by 0, its answer is 0. Like 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 74 is 0. 100 into 0 is equal to 0. So when we multiply any number by 0, its answer is 0. Should I multiply 0 to 0? Its answer is also a 0? Yes, its answer is also a 0. That's why the given condition is true. We can multiply any number by 0, we can multiply any whole number by 0, or we can multiply 0 and 0. Both the condition we have answer as a 0. या तो एक प्लेस पर 0 होगा या तो दोनों प्लेस पर 0 होगा, तब भी हमारे पास आंसर क्या आएगा? 0. दिस इज द मेन मोटिव ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. दैट्स वाई वी आर पुटिंग हियर ट्रू. इट मीन्स दैट गिवन कंडीशन इज ट्रू. Question number 3. If the product of two whole number, it means they did not given us any whole number. It means when we multiply any whole number, any two whole number with each other is 1. It means their answer is 1. If the product of two whole number is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through example. Question said, when we multiply any two whole number with each other, then which conditions give us their answer as a 1? Okay, like only for the example we have to show it. So when we multiply any whole number with each other, so when it will give us 1? Let's see from the example. If I multiply 89 through 1, its answer is 89. But we want our answer as a 1. Okay, one time I will try it as a 0. 0 1 is 0, so that will give us 0. So may I put 1 into 1? Okay, 1 into 1 will give us 1. So solution, in which condition? In only the one condition, when both the places have 1. When both the places have 1, on that time our answer is 1. So in which condition we will get our condition true? Only in case when both of them will 1. किस कंडीशन में कंडीशन ट्रू होगी? जब दोनों प्लेस पर क्या आना चाहिए? 1. उसी केस में उन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमको आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 1. दैट इज़ द ओनली कंडीशन. दैट्स वाई here written here only in the case when both of them will 1. Question number 4 is find using distributive property. First is 728 will multiply by 101, but we have to do it through the distributive property. It means 728 is easy to not easy to distribute, so we will distribute 101 in the form of 100 plus 1. So 728 firstly go with the 100, then this plus symbol of the bracket, then 728 will go through the 1. Okay, when we multiply them we get 7 to 8 double 0 of 100 plus 7 to 8 as it is. Okay, now we will add them. 0 plus 8 8, 0 plus 2 2, 8 plus 7 15, 5 नीचे 1 on the carry, 2 plus 1 3 and 7. Its answer is 73,528. 73,528. Now we are going on the second one, that is the same as first one. Here we will distribute 5437. On the place of we will distribute 1001 as in the form of 1000 plus 1. Same as first 5437. Firstly will go near to 1000 plus, this is the bracket of addition symbol. Then 5437 will multiply to the last number. Now when we multiply them each other, so 5437 30 of 1000 plus 5437 as it is, because 5437 will multiply by 1, it is same as 5437. Okay, now we have to add them. 0 plus 7 7, 0 plus 3 3, 0 plus 4 4. Now 7 plus 5 it is 12, 2 नीचे 1 on the carry. 3 plus 1 4, 4 as it is, 5 here. Now we have to put comma 3 2. Okay, so this is the answer of second one. Okay, C part of question number 4, that tell us 824 will multiply by 25, but we have to multiply it through the distributive property. So 824 as it is, because it is difficult to distribute, but 25 will distribute in two portion, that is 20 plus 5. Same as 824 will go first near to 20. सबसे पहले कौन पढ़ रहा है ब्रैकेट के अंदर? 20, तो सबसे पहले किसके पास जाएगा? 20 के पास. Then plus, then 824 will go near to 5. Okay, now here we have to multiply 824 with 20. तो यहाँ पर 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की बजाय सिर्फ 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 2 से. अब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, छोड़ किसको रहे हैं? 0. तो जिसको छोड़ रहे हैं उसको सबसे पहले लास्ट पे पहले से लिख लेते हैं. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. It is look like 16,480 plus here we have to multiply 824 multiply by 5. Then 5 4s are 20, 0 नीचे 2 on the carry. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 नीचे and 1 on the carry. 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40 plus 1 41. Then it will look like 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 2 10, 0 नीचे 1 on the carry. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 and 6 plus 4 10, 0 नीचे, 1 on the carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So its answer is 20,600. This is the solution of C. Now we have to multiply D number question 4275 with 125. In this case we will distribute 125 in this way, 100 plus 20 plus 5. Distribute means only we have to expand it. Okay, then the previous term as it is. Okay, now you already know here सबसे पहले 4275 की लाइन में सबसे पहले कौन मिल रहा है 100, तो सबसे पहले किसके पास जाएगा 100 के पास. आफ्टर दैट इट विल गो टू 20 and in the last it will go to 5. Okay, what I said, firstly 4275 will go near to 100. अब ब्रैकेट में सबसे पहला सिंबल कौन सा पड़ रहा है प्लस, दैट प्लस एज इट इज. नाउ 4275 will go near to 20, then the next plus symbol. Now this 4275 will multiply through 5. Okay, now when you multiply 4275 with 100, its answer is 4275. प्लस के नीचे अभी के लिए प्लस लगा रही हूँ. ओके, here we have to multiply 4275 with 20. तो 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की बजाय किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 से. किसको छोड़ा 0 को. याद रखना हमने किसको छोड़ा है 0 को. 2 5s are 10, 0 नीचे, 1 on the carry. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 1 on the carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 2 4s are 8. अब हमने यहाँ पे किसको छोड़ा था 0 को छोड़ा सा, so that will remain same. Here 4275 will multiply by 5, then 5 5s are 25, 2 on the carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37, 7 नीचे, 3 on the carry. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, 3 नीचे, 1 on the carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. Now we have different number, that is 4,27,500, then 85,500, then 21,375. We have to add them 3, okay, together. Now that addition I am doing here, 0 plus 0 and 5, it will give us 5. 7 plus 0 plus 0, it's 7. 3 plus 5 8 plus 5 13, 3 नीचे and 1 on the carry. Okay, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 1 14, 4 नीचे, 1 on the carry. 2 plus 8 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13, 3 नीचे, 1 on the carry. 4 plus 1 5. So it will become 5,34,375. So that answer we will write here, 5,34,375. This is the solution of D. Okay, now we have the last question of the exercise, that is question number 5. Study the pattern. It means we have a pattern of a solution and question. They given us the pattern, that is the question of us. Okay, when we multiply 1 into 8 plus 1, it will give us 9. 12 into 8, that is 96 plus 2, it will give us 98. Now 1 2 3 multiplied by 8 plus 3, it will give us 987. So these are the common thing when we are adding to each other, when we are multiplying to each other and add one number to something, so that will give us a number. But this is the pattern. When you see here 1, then in the next line here 1 2, in its next line we have 1 2 3, and its next line we have 1 2 3 4, and its next line we have 1 2 3 4 5. but that will multiply same digit, that is 8. But in that we are adding in the first line 1, in the second line 2, in the second line 3, in the next line 4, in the next line 5. So we are increasing order, we are in the increasing order. But their answer, when we are multiplying some numbers to each other and adding one number to them, we get our answer like in the form 9, then 9 8, then 9 8 7, then 9 8 7 6, then 9 8 7 6 5. So somewhere we are going to increasing order and somewhere we are going into the increasing order of the digit, not in the number but in the digit. So what is the question? Question C, write the next two steps. Can you say how the pattern works? But we already show how, we already seen how the pattern is working, because somewhere digit are increasing and somewhere digit are decreasing, but we have to write 2 steps more. So सॉल्यूशन, ओके, इट्स नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या आएगी? देखो यहाँ पर 1, यहाँ पे 1 2, यहाँ पर 1 2 3, यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 था, तो यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 था. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या आएगा? 1 2 3 4 5 तक तो था. अब एक चीज़ और क्या आनी चाहिए? 6. उसके बाद वाली लाइन में क्या आएगा बेटा? 1 2 3 4 5 6. यहाँ पर 6 था तो यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए? 7. We already seen that number will multiply by 8 only, so here it is also multiply by 8. In that we have to add one number. Till in the question we added till 5, so in the next step it will add through the 6, in the next step it will add through 7. So how their answer will come? In the लास्ट लाइन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दे गिवन अस 9 8 7 6 5. उसके पहले वाले स्टेप में देखेंगे तो 5 नहीं था, उसके पहले वाले स्टेप में नहीं देखेंगे तो 6 नहीं था. ऐसे देखते जाएंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ डिजिट पीछे से गायब हो रही है. इट मीन्स जब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ डिजिट पीछे से ऐड होगी. तो अब नेक्स्ट वाले नंबर में पीछे से क्या ऐड होना चाहिए? 4. सो इट्स आंसर इज 9 8 7 6 5 4. यहाँ पर 4 ऐड हुआ तो उसके नेक्स्ट वाले स्टेप में और क्या ऐड होना चाहिए? 3. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. It is our answer. So it is the next two step of the pattern. Here we are completing our exercise 2.3 and the chapter number 2. Thank you. I hope you understand and you enjoy the class. Thank you.